And we also have the semi-final teams here. There are many prizes for all the teams in semi-finals and finals. Please don't go away. Also, there are many lucky draws, so please take them.
Can we have all the TC members also on the field? Can we have finalists, semi-finalists? We have all the teams on the floor. We have a lot of prizes. The best batsman, the best bowler, the best lady captain, the best fielder, and of course, lucky draw for all the players, participants, all the owners. If we have all the owners also, can come inside, please. Let's have all the owners also inside. The GC, the owners, and all the teams.
Major, please come for your prize. Uday, are you here somewhere? Uday? Uday, are you here? Uday, can you please come inside? Okay. Ma'am, pictures. Ma'am. Okay, so can the entire team be here? Ma'am, the entire team be here for picture, please.
भैया थोड़ा पीछे आके ले लो यार। भैया देखना ट्राई करो।
Thank you so much. Now can I have the winners team? Can I have the winners team here, please?
भैया
Team not outs. Can I have the winners team? Not out, Vikram. Can we have the winners team here?
मैम
Wait.
Can we have the winner team, please?
Come here.
Can we have please the winner team together?
Okay.
अरे तू भी जा इसका भेजो
Let's go!
Okay, now the winner team gets the owner 20,000 rupees credit voucher. And yes, Vikram is saying I'm going to spend it on the bar for the entire cricket team, and every player gets a voucher for 5,000 rupees. Can we so Mana and Sunil, can we hand over the coffee press? Can I request Deepak ji to please honor the gold medals? Okay, one by one, please. One by one, we are.
Okay, so now for the final moment. Now for the moment we've been waiting.
Let's go!
The trophy day! So I would request the last year's defendant,
सर
the last year's defendant, the
And team not big shots, but with a very heavy heart. I'm going to get this to back.
so team Big Shots and the chairman of sports.
Hello team, note down a big shot here.
Wait. So kids, first side play, okay? So time has finally come in. The owner, the captain and the team gets their FBA Dream Trophy!
عندي خوش في اصوات يا اخي تفوز والله خوش راك الصح يا اخي دوس عندي خوش في اصوات يا اخي تفوز والله خوش راك الصح عندي لك راكس قوية يا الحبيب سمها صبوحة خطبها نصيب من يدك كنا بتعطيها كف وهز شتفك حيل خليك شبيب عطي رقصة فريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة حق الاختيار اللي عارف تصيده سوي لي وقفة انا هيبة عيل سوي رقصة
Okay.
Get a picture and then we have many more prizes.
Yeah, so everybody stay there.
Can you sit?
So this trophy remains in the car for 1 year until next time.
Until the entire FBA team tries to get that. So now the defending champions need to get ready again for next year. You have the entire year.
So then many more prizes. Please wait. So we have man of the matches. We have best fielders. We have
Can
many
we have
more
a photograph?
matches.
So can we have a photograph, please, the GC team and the winner team? Can we have all the GC guys, please? Come on, GC. The GC and the winners, please. Can we have the entire GC, please? Manav, Shrey, we want the GC to have a photograph with the winning moment, with the trophy front. Can we have the trophy and the winning team, please? Mala, can we have the winning team standing over here? Yes, the team sitting down. Can we have the entire team, please? Vikram, where are you? Vikram, you are missing. Come, sit. Sit.
Ma'am?
Thank you so much. Okay, now we are coming to our other prizes. Please stay on. There are many exciting.
So let's one more picture, please. One more picture.
So much. So we have vouchers from A6 for many categories. So starting with the quarter final man of the match. First goes to Vidit Jain.
Vidit, are you there?
Vidit Jain is the man of the match for the first quarter final. Vidit, are you here? If you are not, Vidit is gone, so we'll give him the prize. Vidit,
No, we'll send the prize to his house. Or anybody can take on his behalf.
okay, he's gone.
Yes, you can take on his behalf.
Okay, so the next.
Let him come, okay.
So the next quarter final man of the match goes to Malvika Kalra. 5,000 voucher of 5,000 rupees A6.
So Malvika is going to win everything tonight.
Okay, so coming to the third quarter final man of the match goes to Ananya Sethi. Ananya Sethi is here. Vidit is here. Vidit, you are the man of the match of the first quarter final. Can we have you here for our A6 5,000 rupee voucher? Ashim, can you please give it? Ananya, can we have you very quickly for your A6 Man of the Match voucher for the third quarter final? Okay, so our fourth Man of the Match quarter final goes to Rohan Bhatnagar. Rohan, are you here? Yeah. Okay, our semi-final match, Man of the Match, also goes to Rohan Bhatnagar. Our second semi-final Man of the Match goes to Ana Vadera. Thank you. Our final man of the match goes to Aditya. A6 voucher for 5,000. Okay, now coming to the other categories, the best fielder award, which is again another voucher for 5,000, goes to Satyan Thadani. Okay, we have a Best Bowler Award which goes to Hurricanes team Manav. Is there Manav from Hurricanes here? Okay, we'll send the prize to Manav from Hurricanes. The best catch goes to Iman Bharadwaj. Iman Bhargav. He's not here. Okay, we'll send it to Iman. Okay, the best batsman goes to Rohan Bhatnagar. He gets another voucher of A6 for 5,000. Okay, now, is there any guesses for who's the best female player of the tournament? We have Malvika here. So now, coming to the biggest prize of the tournament, which is an electric scooter.
नहीं आशिफ पहले यहाँ स्कूटर चाहिए इसका
So let's give it the end. Let's go guessing it. Kone best. So let's see out lucky draw first. There are many lucky draws, many prizes. So we can do that, and then we can give the scooter away. It's a scooter. Uday, are you here, right? So, okay. Can I request the GC members to take out some lucky draws, please? We have vouchers from Vasa, we have vouchers from Aloha, vouchers from Amber. These are lucky draws for all the players who have participated. So anyone. There are 11 vouchers. Okay, so the first voucher for Vasa goes to Iman Bhargava, which is a voucher from Vasa, goes to Iman. The second voucher from Vasa goes to Abhishek Gupta. Iman.
इसमें envelope में ये डाल दो ना बच्चे
Okay, the third goes to Vasa voucher for 3,000 goes to Rishabh Gupta. Rishabh Gupta, are you here? He's here. Please, Ramit, just hand over to Rishabh. Thank you. Another voucher of Vasa for 3,000 goes to Shrey Bhushan. Shrey, are you here? Okay. The fourth voucher for 3,000 rupees, Vasa goes to 3,000 rupees goes to Aditya Khurana. voucher of Vasa for 3,000 rupees goes to Pragat Singh Jolly. Okay. 2 nights voucher from Aloha goes to Nupur Saroop. Okay. Neha can take it for her. Okay. Another voucher, Aloha, goes to Prini Seth.
आपने ऋषिकेश जाना है जाइए प्रेमी मैडम ऋषिकेश जाइए
Okay, now 2 nights voucher from Amber Vermont goes to Vidit Jain. You have a 2 night stay voucher at Missouri from Amber Vermont. Thank you. Another voucher from Amber Vermont goes to Siddharth Bansal. And the last voucher for Amber Vermont 2 nights goes to Anav Vadera. Now can I request Uday to please come stand by my side? Okay, so we have a owner's bowl lucky draw also. Okay, so we have many lucky draws for owners also. Can we take the lucky draws for owners, please? The first is 5,000 rupee voucher from Vasa goes to Rishi Sukhija. He's not taking it. Okay, he doesn't. He's the sponsor. He's not going to get it. Okay, so we'll have another check for it. It goes to Vinay Bindal. The next voucher from Vasa goes to for 5,000 rupees goes to Navdeep Varshne. Okay, we'll give it to Navdeep. Okay.
क्या हुआ
किसको
Thank you. The next voucher for 3,000 rupees goes to Ajay Jain. Ajay is here.
किस चीज का मिला क्या बता
Thank you, Ajay. The next voucher also from 3,000 rupees goes to Vinkor Khurana. Okay, the next, I think one more voucher for Vasa for 3,000 goes to Belu Khurana.
Please click a picture.
So next is another Vasa voucher for 3,000. It goes to Bikramjeet Kalra.
टीम की बे
Okay, now Aloha voucher for 2 nights goes to Devika Singh. We can give it to her. Another voucher for Aloha 2 nights goes to Okay, the next voucher for Aloha goes to Vishesh Dayal. voucher for Amber Vermont goes to Tushar Patel. Next voucher goes to Rishi Sukheja. Sakuja, okay, Sakuja. And the last voucher for Amber Vermont goes to Gaurav Bajuria. Okay, now coming to the most valuable prize for today is the electric scooter.
So I would like to thank Vinkur before everybody goes, before he takes out that, and we have a small coffee gift for Vinkur Khurana from the sponsor side. The same thing, right?
And the same one for Mr. Ashim Khurana also.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tournament. There were a lot of people working behind us. Thank you, Niran. Thank you, the entire sports team.
Thank you, Niranjan.
Niranjan, yes, Niran. Thank you so much. So,
Okay.
Guys, sorry, can we get a round of applause and for Ashim and the entire team?
Yes.
Uday.
Fired commentator.
Your turn to take out the lucky draw.
But especially these guys and the amount of shit they go through. Thank you.
so now we are coming to the biggest prize. Uday.
ये लकी ड्रॉ में नहीं किया था
Okay, so
Yeah, so we have to
So
give it.
now there is a very big this thing. We have Uday Narang here from OSM who's given us
And-
an electric scooter worth.
It's a good school.
It's a good scooter. It's a big scooter. I'm sure it's close to 1 lakh.
And let me just tell you that this prize has been taken out by the system automatically. Nobody's who's taken out the, manually. So it is the ThinkNet which has taken out the name on its own by seeing the entire event and how the player has played. And
So this is going to the most valuable player who has probably done as per the software, scored runs maybe, taken wickets, good fielding. It has a lot of factors in mind. And the electric scooter goes to Malvika.
Malvika,
Okay, can you please?
which he said that Vikram will barter with his Porsche. So she gets the Porsche and Vikram gets to ride on the electric scooty.
Uday, can we please have? Uday, can we get a picture with the scooter with the team and Malvika?
Vikram.
So Malvika, can we have a round of applause? She had 6 sixes in her over, and she scored another 6. She had 42 runs in her over. With this, we finish our tournament. I'm sure my friends liked it. They enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being a part of this FPL. Until we meet next year, the trophy goes back in the bar.
Guys,
Trophy goes
a
back.
big thank you to Vinkur, Ashim, everyone who's behind the scenes. Our chocolate boy over here wants to say a few words.
Guys, honestly, I think the tournament, I'm sure everyone agrees to it, that the tournament's been organized really well. Big thank you to Vinkur Bhai, Ashim Bhai and the entire Friends Club team for putting this together. I think we've all had a great time. More than anything, it's just amazing to chill with everyone, hang out with everyone. Thank you once again, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So much. And I would like to even thank the office bearers, Mr. Mehta, Amit, Johit, Surjan, Tabassum, all the entire team, the FNB team, people who've been standing over here from morning to evening.
Okay, let me tell the winning team a little thing about the trophy. Okay, winning team Vikram. So the trophy stays. Just listen to this. This is important. Okay. So the trophy remains in the club. Vikram, just listen to this. Okay, all of you, the winning team. Okay, so just listen to this, okay? The trophy remains in the club. We have your new tags printed, and then we do a little putting it in the bar. Then you can treat your players in the bar whenever you want to, but we put it in the bar after we do it. So your name gets.
So let them take the trophy from here till the bar. From here, let them carry the trophy. Let the camera follow them till the bar, and let them place it themselves over there before we open more bottles of champagne over there together. Just for putting this. Yes, and then we go and change.
क्या पिक्चर आएगी स्कूटर में ट्रॉफी रखो
स्कूटर में बैठे रहे enough. Guys, come. We take a photo of the scooty bar.
या डांसिंग
Eddie. Eddie. Eddie, आजा. One more guy. Eddie, come here. आजा, Habib. ये तुम्हें पता ही नहीं
Neha, well done. Well done. Matrimonial. Second Shadi.com.
Elite Marriage Bureau.
Let's go, Aryaman.